Hey y'all, it's SheRea, what's up? I am back with another video. In this video, I will be bringing you another DIY. I know a lot of y'all like my DIY videos, so here's another one. Today, I will be partnering with Henna Souk. Shout out to you, Henna Souk, for continuing to keep the lights on because these lights, this camera, this lens, it ain't free. Today, we'll be using Goddess Hair by Henna Souk. It's perfect for beginners and it's perfect for those of us who have been doing DIYs for a long time. It contains 6 different ayurvedic powders. There's Cassia, which strengthens the hair, Amla, which promotes growth and what's the hair goal? That booty crack length hair, exactly. There's Hibiscus, which is perfect for shine. There's Fenugreek, which helps to thicken the hair. There's Rose Petal, which helps to give the mask some balance. I've never used rose on my hair, so this is going to be a great experience. We're going to experience it together. And lastly, there's Aloe, which brings that moisture. Y'all know I like to use aloe in my DIY recipes. It is a whole cup of 6 miracle and powerful powders for only $12. You don't have to worry about the upfront cost of going on Amazon and purchasing a whole bunch of products and getting Fenugreek and getting Amla and getting this and getting that. You can get them all in one pack. It's stress-free and it's amazing. You can use just a few teaspoons in your favorite deep conditioner or your favorite conditioner. I decided to use the full pack, and let me show you how I mixed it up, and then it's time to apply it. Voiceover SheRea here, what's up? Like I said, we're going in with Goddess Hair by Henna Souk. And who doesn't want the hair of a goddess? I mean, I know I do. What I love about Henna Souk is the high quality of the ingredients, of the powders. They're so smooth, they're so finely sifted, they're so amazing. Now this is optional, but if you've been on my channel, I love adding honey to my mask. Instead of using regular honey, I'm using the Sweet Honey Hair Nourisher by Henna Souk as well. It is also rich in Ayurvedic ingredients. It has honey in it, it has cassia, it smells wonderful, it smells like lemongrass. Definitely recommend you check it out. Everything will be linked down below. And I'm going in with 2 teaspoons. And of course, it's a SheRea teaspoon, so it's a heaping teaspoon. For my liquid of choice, I am going in with coconut milk, which you can use aloe vera juice, you can use water, you can use a herbal tea. It's really up to you. I like using coconut milk because it really softens and moisturizes my hair. It conditions my hair. It makes my hair feel amazing. So I do like using this liquid. But again, use what you wish. I did end up using about 2 cups of coconut milk. This is what the consistency is looking like, and you can honestly just stay right here. It's perfect just the way it is with these few ingredients. But because I have a lot of hair and I use a lot of products, I am heavy-handed. I did need just a little bit more, so I did go in with some conditioner. I am using my DIY leave-in conditioner. I have a dedicated video on how I make it. You can check it out in the cards. I'm using something that I created myself in this recipe, but you can use a store-bought conditioner. You can use a store-bought deep conditioner. It's really up to you. I'm using what I have, and I know that this conditioner packs moisture. I'm using about 8 ounces or so of conditioner. After I mix all of the ingredients, this is the consistency that I am working with. You want your consistency to be not too thick, not too runny. You want it to be like a pancake batter type consistency. Enough long talking. Let's get to applying this awesome mask. Alright guys, let's apply it. This is what my hair is looking like. It's day 5. It's not dry or anything, but I just feel like washing my hair, so that's what we're gonna do. So we're just starting in the back per usual, and all I'm doing is just pulling at my hair to get out any shedded hair. You don't want it to get caught up in the hair. It can cause tangling and it can cause breakage as well. This also helps to warm my hair up. Because I'm low porosity, this just allows my cuticles to open up to absorb and accept the moisture. So I like doing this as well. So this is what we're looking like right here. I use a lot. I'm not sure I'm gonna use all of it, but I like making a lot because I use a lot. So this is what we're looking like. Nice pancake consistency. Ooh. Ooh. This feels really good. And I'm applying this on dry hair because I'm using it as a pre-poo, but you can use it as a deep conditioner step. But I love pre-pooing. I live for pre-pooing, so I'm using it as a pre-poo. And this feels so freaking good. It's so softening. Wow. Y'all, this is so softening. This may be the most softening treatment I've ever made. And look at my curls. Well, I'm just gonna continue doing this throughout my entire head. So I'm done applying the treatment. This is what it's looking like. I love using hibiscus because I just love seeing me with red hair. I miss my red hair sometimes. But anyway, this is what we're looking like. Nice and defined and shiny and moisturized. Usually I would keep this on overnight, but I'm switching up my wash day today. So all I'm going to do is go under my soft bonded dryer. I will link it down below. I'm going to go under that for 30 minutes, get the nice heat and all that stuff, get the powders and the minerals and all that stuff into my hair, and then I'm going to rinse it out. I didn't use all of it. I still have some left, so y'all know I'm not going to waste it. I'm just going to put it into my silicone molds and keep it in my freezer until the next wash day. So let me just braid my hair up, go under the dryer, and move on to the next step. See you in the shower. So I lied. I ended up sitting under the soft bonded dryer for 45 minutes. I wanted to treat my hair and do something a little bit extra. So I did sit under the dryer for a little bit longer than I had anticipated. But you know, life be lifing, so it is what it is. Now I'm in the shower and it's time to rinse out this treatment. I take my hair down slowly. I don't rush it. I always take my time when I'm washing my hair. When your hair is wet, it is the most fragile. So you want to do your best to take your time, have some patience, and have some fun. Come on, length. Come on, growth. Come on, inches. Yes. And you can see how shiny my hair looks. You can see how moisturized and juicy my hair looks. When I say this is one of the most moisturizing Ayurvedic treatments I have ever used, this is one of the most moisturizing, conditioning, softening Ayurvedic treatments I have ever used. When I say this is a game changer, I use that word a lot, but with the henna soup, goddess hair, and the other ingredients that I put into this mask, my hair just felt so good. It really preps my hair for an amazing wash day. Y'all know how important pre-pooing is. I talk about it all the time. If you try nothing else from henna soup, you need to try goddess hair. Y'all, I have the hair of a goddess. I want that for me and I want that for you too. So definitely check it out. Everything will be linked down below. Well, I'm out, y'all. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was fun. I hope you learned something, and I'll talk to y'all later. Peace. Bye, y'all.